Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Himanshi and today I'm going to show you another watercolor painting. So the supplies are, I'm working on this watercolor cold pressed sheet from Kenson, which is 300 GSM. Then I have my watercolor paints from Camel. I also have 3 round brushes and their sizes are number 4, number 12 and number 0. I have a glass of clean water and a paper towel for blotting my brushes. So let's start with wetting paper. I use purple color on the top and yellow color on the bottom. Now I'm repeating the process because my watercolors are not too pigmented. That's why I have to make more layers. Now I'll add some shrubs, trees and birds with black color because black color will give you a nice look. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this painting and don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you soon with the new tutorial.